This video you're about to watch is actually only one of hundreds of free plastic surgery videos you get to watch at Amelia Academy. We created a resource because we know how confusing, overwhelming, and kind of downright scary it is to be Googling and YouTubing plastic surgery. We've got hundreds of videos on the procedures you're interested in, frequently asked questions, and answers from the experts. You can download the app now at Amelia Academy, or you can go online to tv.askamelia.com. Hope you like this video.
Hey, so Renee here, one of the nurses, and I have Dr. Michelle Routon to give us a little bit of more information about who has Votiva, which is what we consider under the female rejuvenation type information for you guys.
So again, Votiva is non-surgical vaginal rejuvenation, which uses heat to get a little bit of tissue contraction. So it can be sexual function. So the vagina is actually slightly smaller when we're done. It's a tube. And so when you get a little bit of contraction all the way around the cylinder. Also, the bladder lays right on top of the vagina and the energy penetrates at 3 to 4 millimeters of depth. So we're getting a little bit of lift to that bladder wall as well. So sexual function and urinary symptoms. So what I call stress urinary incontinence. So when I'm running, laughing, jumping, sneezing, and I leak a little bit of pee, it's for those women like myself. That is a pretty common finding after childbirth, either with cesarean or vaginal delivery. It turns out it doesn't make a whole lot of difference which way. It's the pressure from that pregnancy over time. And it's been very helpful for urinary function. Not the same as if you, some people have urge incontinence, which means that they can hardly get their clothes off when they get in the bathroom before they have to pee. Doesn't treat that as much as stress incontinence. So again, the laughing, coughing, peeing, and again, sexual function. So we have kind of two components. The non-surgical treatment isn't painful, takes less than an hour, no downtime.
Right. So you essentially make an appointment because you have one of those conditions, particularly you feel like that incontinence is your issue or sexual function. And then you make an appointment, you come in, you have about an hour of a treatment, and then you're free to go home.
That's right.
There's always some information to learn about perhaps the restrictions we would put on you afterwards, just short term. But it's relatively quick, painless procedure. Stay tuned for all the more information that you need on that topic.